Hi and welcome to demonstration of Live Cricket Score web application. The Live Cricket Score is a web application that works via the internet, allowing the viewers to have a clear idea about the latest score from the live as well as from previous cricket matches. It allows the viewers to view the latest matches where it displays the scoreboard and view all the details about the current as well as previous matches. Admin can update live score, over details, team information and statistics which will be viewable by the user. The project is about showing live score of the cricket match online. Many people don't have television set or cable connection at their places, or if they are traveling then they may view the scores online. This system has an admin account where the scores are constantly updated on real-time basis by the admin. User can view the scores anytime without any login. The system also provides a timetable of all the matches that would be going to be held. Thus, user can view cricket score in real time. This application uses ASP.NET as a front end and SQL Server as a backend. Now let's check how the web application works. So this is the home page where user can see the live matches as well as the score details by clicking on view scores. So after clicking on view score, the user can view all the score details here. There will be one batting team and other will be the bowling team. So user can also navigate through team details where user can view all the team members here. Also can go back to score details where user can view the type of match, which is one day international, and the two teams which are playing, and also can refresh the page continuously to view the live score. The second module which the user can access is previous matches, where user can view previous matches details. By clicking on view scores, user can view previous match details here. So this match has been ended, where user can see a breakdown of the over with run chased at each ball and a description panel. So this is how user will get to know what happened at every ball. Also the live score will be updated by the admin, the overs will be updated. So this is all about user modules. Let's now check the admin module, where admin need to log in into the system, where admin can perform multiple tasks by adding teams, managing team, creating a match, changing the status, adding a record, or we can say live score updates, and finishing the match. So the first module is add team, where admin need to specify the team name, selecting a logo of that team and entering the player details. So by uploading the image is displayed here itself, and by clicking on submit, the team details are added into the system. So let's now check the manage team module, where admin can manage the team details by selecting the team name and can edit the team logo and player's name. So let's now check the third module, which is create match. So here admin need to select team A and team B from the added teams. So we'll select a team here, team A, and a team B. Now here admin need to select the match type, whether it is T20 international, one day international, or test cricket. So we'll select the T20, and the batting team should be selected here itself. Let's say India, and start the match. So it says success, match is live now. So all the viewers can view the match details once the match is live. So let's quickly check the live match by clicking on live matches. So here it shows the live current match and can view the score, as the match doesn't started yet, but it is live. So admin need to keep entering the match records, which will be discussed now. So we'll check the next module, which is change status, where admin need to select the match ID and can select the status as lunch break, tea break, raining, or innings change. Let's check the other module, which is add record. Now here admin need to select the match ID and keep adding the records, or we can say score details of each and every ball. So here we can see the current team batting, scores are 0-0, and let's start adding the scores. So we'll say over is first over, first ball, runs 2 runs, and also can specify the ball details, that how the run is achieved from this ball. So we can write any description like good running between the wickets, and also need to keep adding the runs. So the total run is 2, wickets are 0 as of now, and over is first. Let's submit this. So the match status has been updated. Let's quickly view the live score. Let's refresh this page. So this is how the scores are updated by the admin and which are viewable by the user within the real time. So user don't need to have any login credentials to view the score details. So details displayed here is the ball, the runs took in this ball, and the description how the runs are achieved. So let's go back to add records. This is how an admin can select the match ID and keep on updating the match score. So while updating the runs, admin need to add the current run with the previously achieved run. So 2 and 6 will be added, and the total run achieved by the team currently is 8 and wickets are 0. So this is how admin need to keep on updating the runs manually and submit it. Now let's quickly check towards the live page, and the runs are being updated. Now let's move back to the change status module and change the match status by selecting the ID and change the innings. So if India is batting right now and ended up with first inning, then admin have the option to change the inning section, so the admin can add the scores accordingly. So let's submit it. So it says match status updated. Now let's move to match record. Let's select the ID, and the batting team is now Pakistan. So admin can add the match details accordingly and keep the scores updated. So let's now move to last module, which is finish match, where admin will select the ID and select the winner team and finish the match. Okay, the match has been ended successfully, and let's quickly check the live score, and it says and it shows the winning team here. So this is how the match details can be updated in the real-time basis, and user can stay updated about the live score of the matches. So this is how the system works. Thank you.